Secrets of the pros. How to install granite accurately on a modern kitchen countertop introducing. In the world of modern kitchen design, a countertop is more than just a work surface. It is a statement of style, durability, and craftsmanship. Among the most luxurious and sought-after materials for kitchen countertops is granite, known for its natural beauty, exceptional strength, and long-lasting performance. But granite is not forgiving. Poor installation can lead to cracks, instability, and aesthetic flaws. That's why professional installers rely on advanced techniques and deep knowledge to ensure perfect results. This comprehensive guide explores the entire professional process of granite countertop installation, from design planning and precise measurement to cutting, setting, bonding, sealing, and final finishing. Along the way, we'll reveal the tools, materials, and expert secrets that make all the difference in achieving a durable, high-end finish. Part 1. Planning and Preparation. The Invisible Foundation. 1.1 Evaluating the countertop design. Every successful installation starts with understanding the design. Is it an island countertop? Does it include a sink or cooktop? Are there overhangs or multi-level surfaces? Will it include appliances or waterfall edges? Professional installers draft a detailed plan, either by hand or using digital CAD software, highlighting dimensions, cutouts for sink, stove, or faucets, location of joints and overhangs, support structures and reinforcements. 1 point to selecting the right granite slab. Granite is a natural material, so each slab is unique. Choose slabs with consistent color and binding that match the kitchen. Aesthetic. Inspect for hidden fractures, color inconsistencies, or weak spots for most countertops. 3 centimeters 1 1/4 thick slabs are ideal, but 2 centimeter slabs may be used with proper structural reinforcement. 1.3 Accurate measurement. Precision is critical. Use laser measuring tools or digital levels to record length and width down to millimeters. Height differences or dips in cabinetry. Angle of corners or wall alignment. Measurements include sink and appliance cutout locations, overhang dimensions, edge profile requirements, support points for overhangs or heavy slabs. Part 2. Cutting and shaping, turning stone into craft. 2. 1 Wet saw. Cutting with diamond blades. Granite is cut using industrial bridge saws or CNC routers equipped with diamond blades. Wet cutting is essential to reduce dust and avoid stone cracking. Cutouts for sinks and appliances are done with diamond core drill bits for round holes, CNC controlled routing for square or rectangular cutouts. Multiple passes are used to prevent chipping on the polished side. To point to profiling and polishing edges. Edge design is key to the countertop's appearance. Edge types include straight polish, full bullnose rounded, beveled angled, ogee, or custom profiles. Edges are shaped using CNC routers or handheld grinders, then polished in multiple steps from 50 to 3,000 grit abrasives. Final buffing with diamond polishing pads to achieve a glass-like shine. To point 3 Reinforcing cutouts and weak areas. Large openings, e.g. for sinks or cooktops, weaken the granite. Reinforcements include fiberglass mesh with epoxy backing, steel or aluminum bars embedded on the underside. This prevents breakage during handling or daily use. Part 3. Preparing the countertop base. The silent support. 3.1 Cleaning the substrate. Adhesive, grease, or old adhesive can prevent proper bonding. Use alcohol-based degreasers or neutral pH cleaners. Allow full drying before proceeding. 3. To level. The base cabinets use digital levels or string lines to check flatness across the full cabinet run. No high or low spots exceeding 1 to 2 millimeters. If uneven, correct using self-leveling compound, shims or marine plywood pads. 3.3 Adhesive applications. On a specialized stone adhesive or epoxy-based glues are applied in continuous waves or grid lines to avoid voids. Additional blobs in corners or round cutouts for firm adhesion. Some installers use mechanical fasteners for added safety on large or heavy pieces. Part 4. Installing the granite slabs. Precision in action. For point 1. Positioning the slabs with suction. Lifters. Granite is heavy and fragile. Use vacuum suction lifters or stone clamps to avoid breakage and back injury. Carefully align the slab over the base and lower it gradually, or point to aligning joints between slabs for multi-slab joints. Use 1 to 2 millimeter plastic spacers to control joint gaps. Temporary clamps or leveling clips ensure slab alignment and seams. Professional. Installers may apply epoxy seam adhesives, color to mask the stone, and polish the joint smooth. For .3 fine-tuning corners and overhang corners are carefully inspected and polished if necessary. Overhangs more than 25 centimeters require hidden steel supports, corbels or brackets underneath. Part 5. Integrated sink, cooktop, and fixtures 5.1 installing. An undermount sink is mounted from underneath using stone epoxy adhesive, sink clips or metal straps, temporary with bracing to hold the sink until the adhesive cures. Sealing around the rim with waterproof silicone prevents leaks. 5-point to drilling for faucets and accessories will hold slowly using diamond core bits. Continuously cooled with water. Common drill locations: faucet stem, soap dispenser, reverse osmosis filter tab. Accuracy is critical to avoid cracking the slab. Part 6. Finishing and surface protection 6.1 final cleaning. Use pH neutral granite cleaners. Only avoid vinegar, bleach, or acidic products. Wipe using microfiber cloths to avoid scratches. 6. To applying stone sealer. Natural granite is porous, applying a penetrating sealer protects against water absorption, oil or wine stains, color fading from UV exposure. Sealer should be reapplied every 12 to 24 months depending on kitchen usage. Part 7. Quality control and final inspection 7.1 performance tests after curing. Tap across the slab. Hollow sounds indicate voids underneath. Check for level with a straight edge. Ensure all joints are tight and evenly filled. 7. To install appliances and hardware coats and faucets are mounted. Water and gas connections are finalized only after full curing of adhesives and sealers. Common mistakes to avoid. Expert tips. 1. Skipping proper cabinet leveling equals cracks in months. 2. Using general purpose adhesives equals stone detachment or shifting. 3. Ignoring sink reinforcement equals collapse under weight. 4. Leaving wide seams equals poor aesthetics. Prone to staining. 5. Neglecting sealer equals permanent stains and dull surface. Conclusion: installing granite on a kitchen countertop is not a basic job. It's a complex blend of engineering, material science, and craftsmanship. A perfect installation ensures that the countertop will not only look luxurious, but also perform reliably for decades, withstanding daily wear, moisture, and heat. When the job is done right, a granite countertop becomes the jewel of the kitchen, a stunning, durable, and functional surface that elevates the entire space. And the difference between amateur and professional work, it lies in the planning, precision, and passion for perfection.
1번